Fish on, bro.
Fish on, bro.
Fish on, bro.
Cristiano's on a fishy. A catfish? Yeah. Here, bring it to your right. Bring it to your right. No, sit down, just sit down. Sit down, you good. Let's bring it over here. Hello, here you go. Here, I'm over there. Stop it.
Oh, right through the eye?
No.
Okay. That would just do the mouth?
Yeah.
Do I still keep my fish too?
Oh, we could get another one. We got so many fish. I'm just trying to get this thing out of here. Come on, baby. There we go. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss.
It's large.
Times on a fish.
Wait.
Huh.
What?
You're all standing like crazy.
Is that you, Anthony Morton? Hey, I'm in your backyard. Hey, yeah. I like that beard you got going. Yeah. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, catfish added
Same as AJ.
Stop in the name of the Lord, before you pray. Daddy's on another one. You heard me? Another one. Bye bye. Another pescado. Hey boys, look at this. Another one. AJ, can you get current and throw it on your left? Got this one and a pink lure. Alright, so move in, dude. I'm gonna let you go. Pink, my favorite color. Nice size one too. Adios. Christians on a pescado.
That's a big one. Hey, look. Catfish. So that's 3, AJ. you legally have one of my fishes. Get it?
Nice one, Chris. Well, there you have it, folks. That was an episode of Fish on Bros. We caught a couple fish. We had good day today. Right, kids?
I found my wallet. It was in this car the whole time.
Alright, guys. Well, thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, like, share it. Thank you for watching. And Fish on Bros.